In today's tech review, I'm going over the FotoPro Mogo, an extremely lightweight and flexible monopod designed for smartphones, GoPros, and point-and-shoot cameras. Hey, welcome back guys, this is Eric of Immersive Tech TV, and before we start today's review on this monopod, I would like to say a quick thank you to FotoPro for sending me their new monopod to review and share with you guys. And of course, as always, if you would like to learn more about this particular model after the video, I'll link down below where you can find it online, as well as some of FotoPro's other tripods for every budget. But with that being said guys, let's now hop into today's review. The FotoPro Mogo is a pretty multifunctional monopod due to its flexibility. Coming in at around 20 inches long and less than half a pound in weight, this monopod is extremely light and portable. Because of this, you can easily carry this with you as a part of your on-the-go photography or video kit. This monopod can be used in a number of different ways. For instance, you can extend it out fully and use it as a selfie stick for photos and video. And if you want to use it as more of a tripod, you can also bend its legs so that it can stand on a flat surface itself. However, I would probably say its most useful ability is that you can wrap it around a number of different surfaces, such as on a bicycle, in a tree, around a pole, or anywhere you can think of. If you want to use this monopod as part of your video or photography kit, you can even mount it on FotoPro's other flexible tripod, but I'll go over that in just a bit. With the max load capacity rated for 1.75 pounds, this monopod is definitely designed for lighter devices such as smartphones, GoPros, and smaller point-and-shoot cameras. So with that in mind guys, if you have a heavier DSLR camera or a heavier camera rig in general, this is not the monopod for you. But if you're looking for a monopod for your smartphone or your GoPro or a very light point-and-shoot camera, this can definitely be an ideal option. Made with materials such as ABS plastic, thermoplastic elastomers, and stainless steel, not only is this monopod flexible, but it's also pretty strong. This monopod's stainless steel leg is coated with a high density rubber, which makes it easy on your hands to grip and to bend. In addition, it's also waterproof, which means that this monopod can be used both indoors and outdoors. Now when it comes to mounting, the Mogo is designed with two 1/4 inch universal screw heads, one on each end. You'll also notice a 1/4 inch screw thread near the top of the head as well. You can even capture different angles by using the angle button, which allows the head to adjust 180 degrees. Now in terms of actually mounting your smartphone onto this monopod, the Mogo comes with two different smartphone adapters. The main one is adjustable from 2.2 inches to 3.5 inches, so whether you have an iPhone or an Android phone, this adapter will fit most smartphones. You'll notice that this smartphone adapter does have two 1/4 inch threads on separate sides, so you definitely can mount it onto the monopod in two different angles. This will allow you to capture both horizontal and vertical photography or video. And while they do include a second smartphone adapter, as you could see, the second one is much smaller, and I find the main one a bit more secure in holding your phone. One last thing they include in the kit is a Bluetooth remote control for your smartphone. Now it is a very simple remote, but it does provide some hands-free control over your phone's camera, as long as you stay in the listed Bluetooth range for it, which is rated for 32 feet, or roughly 10 meters. To set it up, all you have to do is go into your phone's Bluetooth settings and pair the remote to your phone, and it will allow you to start and stop recording videos when your phone is in video mode, as well as take pictures when your phone is in photography mode. So a little while back, I actually reviewed FotoPro's flexible tripod, and while their new monopod can work on its own, I will say that it also does work really well with their flexible tripod. As you can see, you can mount the monopod onto their flexible tripod to be able to hold multiple accessories. As you can see, I'm mounting a small light on the monopod and my smartphone on the tripod, but you can really mount any accessory on this rig, such as a small microphone as well. Now if you would like to learn more about FotoPro's flexible tripod that you see right here, I'll link my video review of it down below in the description. So overall guys, if you're looking for a lightweight and flexible monopod that you can use as either a selfie stick or to give you some stabilization in your shot, whether you're capturing photography or video, this is not a bad option. It's pretty budget friendly, but I will say if you have a heavier DSLR camera or a heavier camera in general, you probably don't want to consider this option, but if you're using a smartphone or a GoPro or a lighter point and shoot camera, you really can't go wrong with it. So again guys, just to recap, when it comes to what you actually get inside the box with the Mogo monopod, you do get the actual monopod itself. You get two smartphone adapters like I said. You get the main larger smartphone adapter right here, which does extend. And you also get the smaller smartphone adapter, which also can adjust for different size smartphones. And lastly, they do include a Bluetooth remote control like I mentioned as well. And again guys, if you would like to learn more about this monopod, I'll link down below where you can find it online. And of course, if you have any questions on the Mogo, feel free to leave your questions down below in the comments, and I'm always happy to answer those for you. Anyways guys, thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.